Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall see how to perform the complete purchase cycle in Axanta ERP. So let's start. So first, we shall create a purchase order. So we'll go to the menu, we'll click on this purchase module. Here you can see this request for quotation wizard has appeared. So to create a new purchase order, we shall click on this create button, and here you need to fill in all the details. Here we have filled in all the details. So this is a vendor, American vendor, and this USD currency is the default currency that is linked to this vendor. You can set different currencies also as per your requirements. So for this PO, as we are dealing in USD currency, here you can see the exchange rate against the base currency which is set in the system. Kindly note, while making the purchase order in different currency, you need to ensure that you have set the current exchange rate in the system to get the correct values. Then here we have selected the location as main warehouse. This means that this 50 quantities of this product that we are purchasing are coming to this main warehouse. Then here we have selected this 2 pocket lingeries product that we are going to purchase. This is the quantity. Then here this is the unit of measure, this is the unit price, and so on. And here if you see, this is the total amount, that is $600. Now if you are purchasing the products from other countries, so you might have some landed costs like freight, bank charges, or so on. Then you can enter those costs here in the landed cost option. So here you can enter bank charges or insurance, freight, or so on. If you want to learn more regarding how the landed cost function in Axanta ERP, kindly click on the link given above. Once you have filled in all the details, click on save. You can send this quotation to your supplier by email by clicking on the send RFQ by email button, or else you can take a printout also of this RFQ. If you want to take a printout, you need to just click here and click on this request for quotation. Now after some days, when the supplier confirms this quotation, we will confirm this order. So we will click on this confirm order button, and as soon as we have confirmed this order, the status has changed to locked and this RFQ has been confirmed. Once the order is confirmed, you can see this one shipment has been created. Let's say after 2 or 3 days you have received this shipment. So in order to receive the products, we will click on the shipment button. Then here we will click on initial demand, as we have received all the 50 quantities that were demanded, and then we will click on validate. So once we will validate it, this 50 quantities of this product has been increased and the status has changed to done, and then this button to create invoice is being displayed. Now in order to create the invoice or the vendor bill, we will click on this button. Then here you can enter the invoice date, so we will enter this and we will click on create. Then we will click here. So this is the vendor bill that has been created, which is in the draft status. Here you can see all the details, like this is the exchange rate, then here this is the amount that we need to pay to the supplier, and here if you have entered any landed cost, you can see the details here. Now we shall validate this bill, so we will click on this validate button. And here as you can see, the status has shifted to open. Kindly note, when the bill is in the draft status, So you can edit the bill, like you can edit the cost price, then enter the discount if given by the supplier, change the amount of the landed cost, and so on. But once you have validated the bill and it is in the open status, then you can't edit as the bill is posted. Now we shall see how to make a payment. In order to make a payment, we will click on this register payment button. Then here, this is the payment amount that we are paying. Then from here you can select the currency in which you are paying. So for now we will select this USD currency. Then here in the payment journal, you can select the journal, like whether you are paying by cash, then bank, or so on. Then here you can enter the payment date. In the memo, if you have any extra information or any references, you can add here. So now we'll validate. So we'll click here, and as you can see, the status has changed to paid. So this is how you can perform a complete purchase cycle in Axanta ERP.